Here's how to make your second dropdown change based off of your first one. So what we have here is we want the make, when we select Toyota, to only show the options of Camry, Corolla, and Prius, and then same for Ford and Tesla. Whenever we select our make, we only want it to show the options for those specific models. First things first, go ahead and select all of your data, go to Formulas, and then click Create from Selection, and then only check the top row. What this essentially does is it names our columns for us internally in Excel. Now we're going to go ahead and proceed with a normal data validation or dropdown, and then we want to select list, and then our source for our list, it's going to be our headers here, and we can go ahead and click OK. So our dropdown, it's working like normal. We have Tesla, Ford, Toyota. Now we want our model to be based off of our first make dropdown menu. So go ahead and do a data validation and then do a list. But this time we're not going to select any source. What we're going to do is type equals indirect, open your parentheses, and this is going to be based off of our first dropdown. So go ahead and do that. Close your parentheses and then make sure that this has the cell locked. When you click OK, notice how we have F-150, Mustang, and Explorer available. And then if we were to change this to Toyota, it has Camry, Corolla, Prius, and then same with Tesla. It has Model S, Model 3, and Cybertruck for the available drop-down options.